second inning. And now Cabrera into left center field. Alex got a good read on it, so he's around third. He will beat the throw to the plate, and Cabrera is down to second in a 2-run ninth inning.
And that's a huge run right there for the Royals. A high fastball out over the plate, line drive in the left field, and outstanding piece of hitting by Melky Cabrera. Now he comes up here. Taylor overthrows his cutoff man, which you see a lot this year, and that batter runner is able to get that extra 90 feet and then